MAC collection I'm going to be playing with today. I just wanted to do swatches and use them on my face so you can actually see. So this is the new powder case range. Ta-da! That's it. So you have the first layer, which is a chest drawer that contains the gift items, and then this is where we have business. The second layer that I need to, so this is where I'm going to be trying out stuff from. So this is the eyeshadow collection. We have the eyeshadow here, 3 colors, 3 matte colors. Then we have the lipsticks here. So I'm not going to try out the lipstick because I don't want to make a mess of it. That's all I want to give away. Yeah, and then this color. So I'm going to try like 2 out of this one as well. So this is it, the pink, the purple, and the red. So I'm just going to swatch and then you can see it on my lips. So let's get into it. Let's get started. I have 3 different colors. So let me open them up and I can show you. Okay, so these are the 3 different colors that I have. So I'm going to work with these 3 different colors on my eyes and show you what they are. So let me go one after the other. This is Devoted to Chili. So it's a dark orange kind of matte finish. That's Devoted to Chili. Then this is Ripened. So it's like a light dark lilac. And then this is Lens Blur. So it's like a fuchsia pink. So let me create a look with this on my eyes and we can now move to the lips. Alright, so these are the 3 colors I'm going to be using. So let's get started. So the first one I'm going to do is my contour color. So out of the 3 colors I'm going to be using the dark ones for contour. So I'm going to use this for contour, this shade for contour. So let me start. So a fluffy brush, go in and I stop. Wow, it's pigmented. Okay, so I see you. So that's it. I didn't prime. I did that deliberately because I didn't want it to, I just wanted you to see how. So this eyeshadow that I'm putting on, I don't have any primer on at all. So I just wanted to see how it is on the skin. So imagine if I use a primer, it's going to be like badass, So let me just continue. Just gonna move it in a little bit. So I'm applying this with the brush. So I'm going to try using my hand for the other side to see if I'm going to get a better coverage. Okay. So using my hand at the other side. Okay. So I think the hand actually gives a better coverage. What do you think? It's fuller, it's better. And I have more control. Okay. So with my hand, with the brush. With my hand, with the brush. I think with the hand you have better control. So I just tap it on. And that's about it. So finally, I go in with this. Just put one part of it. So I'm going to do with the brush and the hand once again to the brush. So this is it. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to use my hands at the other side. That's it. Okay, so that's it. So let me just tidy this up and then come back. So I'm going to tidy this up and then come back. So So I'm just going to put on my eyeliner and my lashes so everything looks put together. Okay? So okay, so look better now when it's lined, and then I put my lashes on. So okay, so that's it with the lashes. So let me clean up the makeup now. So these are the three colors that I've used for the eyes. I used this for contouring, then I used this at the side, and then this is my mixed color. Note that when I use these eyeshadows, I did not use eyeshadow primer at all. This is just pure straight from the pot and then to my eyes. So I'm sure that if you're going to apply and you use eyeshadow primer, it's going to come out more pigmented. So let me just swatch this at the back of my hand. So I have this color, which is devoted to chill. This is it. So that's it. Like a burnt orange. Then I have this color, which is the lens blur, which is like a purple. Can you see? So pigmented. And I have the last one, which is the refined. Oh. Then I have the last one, which is ripened. So the ripened is not so, it's like a lilac, so it's buildable. So that's it. This is ripened. This is devoted to chili, and then this is lens blur. So those are the three colors I have at the back of my hand. So that is it at the back of my hand. So that's it, guys, at the back of my hand without primer, and then I use my hand to apply. If you use your brush to apply, you might need to build, because it's not going to come out as intense as I have done with my fingers. So that's it on the eyes. I hope you like it. So I just applied my eyeliner, and then I put on lashes, and then that's it. So let's quickly move on to the lip, so you can see what the lip colors were. So I'm not going to swatch everything that I have from the lip collection, because I also want to keep that. This red, I am not going to swatch. This is called Lasting Passion. I'm not going to swatch the red. Can you see the way it looks? It has this powdery feel to it. So I'm not going to swatch this at all. This is called O. So this is it. So I'm just going to swatch this quickly. Feel brown. Okay. So this is it. It's frosted, like it's more like a satin feel. Okay. Guys, I love. What do you think? I love it. I love it. So it just gives this natural belly there kind of effect, and it gives that glow. So I like it. I think this is the pass for me. But this is first. So I don't want to try this. It's almost going to be similar to this. Can you see? So I'm just going to pass on this. So let me down. I'm sure it's going to look very similar to what I have on. So there's no point swatching it. So let me leave it. So this is the powder case liquid lip color. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to swatch this one and this one as well. So this is Billion Smile. So I don't know if you can see that. It's Billion Smile. And then this one is called Got a Callback. It's like a purple. Got a Callback. The first powder case liquid lip color that I'm going to try on in the Billion Smile. So it's pink, the shade of pink. So let me swatch the back of my hand so you can see. So that's it. It's a pigmented pink. So like I said, this is the powder case, so it has a powdery feel. So if your lips are dry or chapped, I think you need to go in with Vaseline. So I'm just going to go in a little bit with a bit of cream, just to give you that base you can grab on. Like just moisturize the lip a little bit. If not, it might not come out as you want it. So that's it. And I'm going in. So a little goes a long way. So that's it. I'm not a fan of pink, so that's it. That's what it looks like. The texture is powdery. When you look at it closely, it looks a bit powdery. I like the finish. but I'm not a big fan of pink. So you know, but I like it. I like the way it looks. It's something that if I'm going to wear, I probably could put a bit of lip gloss on. Or should we try that? Let me leave it like this. The concept of the powder case is supposed to look powdery, like you have nothing on. You know, but once you have a well-defined, well-moisturized lips, you're good to go. I'm not a big fan of pink, you know, excuse me, but I still think it looks pretty. What do you think? I think it still looks pretty, but I want to try something. I want to see how it will look if I put a lip gloss on it. So I hope you don't mind. Let me just quickly do that. And you know, out of curiosity, this is how it looks without the clear lip gloss. Okay, so I'm gonna put the clear lip gloss on it. Okay. That's with the gloss. What do you think? Yeah, so that's it for this pink. Let me change the color to the other one. This is Billion Smile. So bring it to the other one. Got a call back. Got a call back. That's the name of the other powder case liquid lip color. Got a call back. That's it. So it's a purple feel. So that's it. So this is what it looks like on the skin. That's it. It's purple. So let's go. So the last one I have here is Ruby Woo, but it's not powder case, so I'm not so eager to try this because I wanted to show you what the finish of the powder case looks like. It's there, but you won't feel it. It's so soft on the lip. It's easy to blend. It's super pigmented. That's one thing I like about MAC. Like they've done their research. They've come out with stuff that just just had a way of winning our hearts. You know, they just it's perfection. You know, so this is for people who don't like that glossy finish or creamy finish. You just want to have a lipstick on and then forget about it. This can actually last you for say over 10 hours. I know they said you can wear this for 10 hours. So they said that another thing they said about this eyeshadow is that it's waterproof. So I want to quickly try and see if it's actually waterproof or not. So let me go get water and spray on this. That's all guys for the testing of the new powder case range from MAC. I am so grateful that I was giving this back to test and I love so let me quickly give a quick recap again. So I have the eyeshadow, that's what I have on my eyes, the three colors, that's what I have on my eyes, the three eyeshadow colors, and then the powder case lipstick, this one, the red, the super hot and super red, and then I have the lipsticks as well. These two lipsticks, the Billion Smile, which is the pink, and then this purple, light purple, which is the got a call back. So the call back is what I have on my lips currently and I like it. So let me know which of the items are your favorite. They are super pigmented, they are easy to blend, they are buildable, they are very long lasting as well, and they are easy to rock. I wanted to come here and show you how they work truly, and you can see for yourself. I love the lipstick. It's easy to wear. You don't feel like you have anything on. Very comfortable. But like I said initially, if you want to wear this powder case, one of the tricks to having it to last longer or look nice on you is to have your lips well prepped. You use a lip balm, moisturize, take out the chappedness, and then apply it freshly so it looks really nice. And then you can also use lip gloss on if you want it to have a long-lasting, more glossy effect. I did that with the other one, and then I didn't do that with this one. So another good thing, body of note, is if you go to the MAC store, if you're a professional makeup artist, especially the professional makeup artist in Nigeria, if you go to the stores, the MAC stores, the one in Jabi, ICM, Ikeja, the one in Lekki, you get to buy stuffs on Mondays at 50% discount. Yes, you heard me right, at 50% discount. So it means that if this is going for 17,000 naira, you get to get it at reduced price as a professional makeup artist, but you have to be able to identify yourself that you're a professional makeup artist. So that's like incentive that they're trying to give us as makeup artists, so that we'll come to buy straight from the source, that you're sure you're getting the real deal. MAC store, straight from MAC store, and then that's like a way of a payback. So it's a good one. So you don't have to worry about the product got if the original or not. You understand? So you can walk straight into Mac store and pick up your makeup products on Mondays at 15% discount here. 15% discount. That's a lot. It's more than 10%, 15% discount. So that's another thing. But if you enjoyed this video, this was actually requested for, you know, who wanted to see this watch and, you know, to tell if it was a real deal. Yes, it is real. I'm sure that by now you are convinced that it's the real deal. So if you like to see more of this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you even think about the product itself. Let me know what you think about the market itself generally, being here in Nigeria. You know, let's just get vibes from ourselves and let's know, you know, let's just talk, let's just chat, you know. So if you haven't subscribed at this point, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, like, share with your friends, and let's grow this channel. Tell your friends about this channel. If you have any video you want me to do, I would let me know in the comment section. I would gladly jump on it and do that for you. And that's all. So till my next video, guys, bye.